Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog wipes that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Hygienic Labs Furbliss Hygienic Pet Wipes. These wipes check off all the boxes. They're durable, cleansing, and gentle enough to use several times a day. Even better, they're all-purpose. These wipes can be used to clean your dog's coat, ears, eyes, and paws, with a soothing formula that includes vitamin E, aloe vera, and a natural deodorizer. The perfect size for cleaning small or large paws. You can even use them with your feline friend if they need a quick clean. After hands-on testing, these wipes came out as the clear winner for their dependability and versatility, and even won the paw approval of dogs Remy and Lucy. Lucy dislikes having her paws cleaned, but the packaging made it easy to open, grab a single wipe, and seal it back up before our tester lost her attention. For Remy, she used them to wipe away tear stains quickly without any irritation. Moving on at number 4, we have the Burt's Bees Multipurpose Hypoallergenic Wipes. Burt's Bees Multipurpose Dog Wipes win the award for the most dependable dog wipes due to their reliable results and wide availability. If you're in a pinch and need a wipe ASAP, there's a good chance you'll find these nearby, and not just at pet stores. They also come in a smaller pack than most alternatives, making it easy to throw them in a bag for on-the-go dog parents. The hypoallergenic, fragrance-free wipes use 99% natural cleansing and moisturizing ingredients, including honey, and are suited for a wide range of use from toes to tail. Our tester bought a pack for any unexpected messes when she first got Remy, and the wipes didn't disappoint. The only complaint is the package is difficult to properly seal, which causes the wipes to dry out. We've found that placing the wipes in a plastic bag or container prevents drying once they're opened. At number 3, we have the Earth-rated Lavender-Scented Dog Wipes. The lavender scent of Earth-rated's dog wipes makes them one of our tester's personal favorites. She was amazed at how well they worked and how gentle they were on Remy's paws and backside. But she especially loved the subtle smell of lavender. Besides being tough on mud and grime, these wipes are made from plant-based materials that you can throw in your compost bin after use. Along with lavender, they use natural shea butter, aloe, and chamomile, helping to give a much-needed pampering to your dog's paws and coat. You won't want to use these wipes around your dog's ears or eyes, however. They're only safe for their paws and body. At number 2, we have the Earth Bath Grooming Wipes. Many dog wipes have soothing, moisturizing ingredients, but Earth Bath's Grooming Wipes take it a step further, adding a bit of shine while they clean and condition your pet's coat and paws. They're also fragrance-free, making them a great option for pups or pet parents sensitive to fragrances. Plus, the container's plastic click top made it easy to close tightly and prevent the wipes from drying out. After Remy came in from playing in our muddy backyard, he happily handed our tester his paw to clean with these wipes. If we had to guess, we'd say he would recommend them to other dogs at the dog park. For us, the only caveat is the size. The packaging claims these are extra-large towels, but they're smaller than many of the other wipes we tested, so they won't go far for bigger dogs or bigger messes. And finally at number 1, we have the Miracle Care Eye Wash Pads. While many of the wipes on this list claim that they're safe for use on a dog's face, most don't mention the eyes. That's because a dog's eyes, not unlike a human's, are extremely sensitive. Even many natural ingredients can be irritating, and some could even lead to long-term damage. When it comes to cleaning your pup's eyes, you don't want to take any chances. These dog eye wipes are safe to use around the eyes, clearing away gunk and debris with a gentle, non-stinging formula. They're highly rated by pet parents and a must for pups who frequently experience allergies, tear stains, or a lot of buildup in the tear ducts. However, their singular purpose means that they won't solve all of your problems in one handy pack. You'll need another wipe or two to manage your pup's overall cleaning needs.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon